What the fuck? Where the fuck are we?
Hey, we're in Las Vegas, man. I love this. G'day, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to Big Great World Tour. This is what you can have if you pay $50 or more.
Here we are, level 57, 308 Palms Place Penthouse. This is huge, guys. This is big. This is big time. Get ready. There's the space. There's the space. All right, we got fully contained kitchen here. I'm not sure.
What is the charge? Eating a meal?
A succulent Chinese meal?
You got room for activities here. This is designed to be a party joint, that's for sure.
And you, sir. And you, sir.
Some of the lads linking up their TVs. Here we are, Vegas Strip, 57th floor. We booked this place on Airbnb from just like a private hosting company, I guess. It's $1,000 a night Australian, so 700 US a night. I think it's about 2-night minimum. This is the clincher though. I see what you're saying, Bo. Yep, this is the one. You know, it's just built for activities. That's all I can say. It's everywhere from Mandalay Bay to there. They've just renovated the Palms, the Fertitta brothers who sold the UFC probably 2 years ago. Spent about $360 million on that. They haven't done much with this because it's still private owned property. But you can see it's a little bit older. This place is notorious for having dirty balconies, but you know, you deal with that. You can deal with that. It's because you got to deal with this. Look at all that. Beautiful. Oh, it's turning into a nightclub in here. Is that Ibiza? Heaps of room here. I mean, this is designed for events. Like, this is events on a budget probably. But you know, even if you were 2 people and you wanted to sort of splash some cash, a bit of a laundry. We've also got this massive master bedroom with a double sink, robes, everything you need. I believe that's a steam shower. They're illegal in Australia, but they're legal here. There's some of those at the Bellagio as well. So this is oh my god, look like a Scrooge in this thing. So we've got a fireplace here as well. This is the master room. Just throwing some stuff there. Massive TV. And all electric curtains. It's bright. You get a little view of Red Rock there. Not much to see except the mountains, but you can sort of see what's happening in Vegas on the back end. Little couch there in case you don't make it to bed. Crawling through here, there's a second bedroom. So there's a fold-out couch, and it's hard to go in there right now when there's people in there. And there's an extra toilet and the little entrance.
You can come in for now.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Hey, what do you think of the room?
Incredible.
It's so nice.
Oh,
So good.
it's so good. Oh my god, you can walk in there. You can even sleep in there. You can sleep 2 people in the closet.
I know, I'm thinking about moving in with my Vietnamese family.
Yeah, this is cool. It's a cute little room, like a bit of a small one, but I like it for its size. It's nice. What's in here? Oh, there you go. Another connecting balcony, and there's a bit of an egg chair out there as well. So this is the 4,000 feet penthouse, sub-penthouse at Palms Place. So that means there's 3 toilets here, 2 washing machines, 3 beds, enough seating for enough people. We're going to bring a chef in tomorrow, alright? So this is going to be utilised. You can't get this on the strip. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? I don't know what happened to him. So this is Palms Place, guys. Shut the fuck up. This is Palms Place. That's choice. So guys, for $700 a night, no worries. Excuse me?
Oh, hello.
I was like, where the fuck is he?
This is my bed.
I and Mike Tyson.
This is where I should be.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button.